Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Cancer, sun, moon and rising sign for the first week of the July, that is from 1st to the 7th of the July. This is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice for you guys. For the Cancer, in the past situation, we have the Ten of Wands. There's a Page of Swords. There's a King of Cups. In the present, we have the Hanged Man. There is the Nine of Pentacles. There is Page of Cups. In the future, we have the Ten of Pentacles. There is Page of Pentacles. There is the Magician. Okay, the challenge for the week is the Four of Swords. The challenge for the week has lot of things, lot to doing with your healing. The challenge for the week is whatever the situation is, you have to first heal. Though the situation broke your heart very badly, or though the situation gave you a lot of stress, gave you a lot of confusion, or you ended up being a lot of pain, suffering, the thing is you have to heal yourself. In order to move on with new person or new connection, first you have to be strong. In order to survive, you have to be strong first, right? So you have to heal. There's a challenge for the week. In the recent past, we have the Ten of Wands, there is the Page of Swords, there is the King of Cups. There was someone who entered into your life, okay? I see there was a situation in which you have been working a lot. Okay, there could be a relationship, that could be a relationship situation, that could be a career situation, something related to your interest. Okay, you have been working a lot. Might be about working a lot to know about someone. So in order to get clarity about someone in the recent past, you have been working a lot. Means from every way you had been thinking about this person, doing some action towards this person in order to know them very well. You are digging deeply. Though this process was kind of giving a lot of burden, it was giving a lot of stress. I see you guys were digging in order to know about this connection, know about this person in the recent past. I see finally you're going to get to know something about this person. We're going to clarify. In the present, we have the Hanged Man, the Nine of Pentacles, there's the Page of Cups. Many of you guys are thinking about something, okay? You guys are thinking it in a different way. There's a chances you have to actually change the thinking. You're thinking in the wrong way about some sort of situation, about some connection, about some person. You might be thinking in some different direction. You have to change your direction, okay? Something to deal with your happiness. You just want this person, or you just want to be happy in the present moment. Something to deal in order to get clarity about that person, about that situation. I see many of you guys are offering here something to someone, okay? In order to get clarity, you might go towards a connection, go towards that person, ask them something or offer them something in order to come out of that stuck situation. You just want to release yourself from that hanged position about something. Maybe you had been waiting for this connection, wanted to move towards this person very badly. You have been hanging in order to make decision towards this person. Finally, I see you guys are moving towards that connection, moving towards that person, okay? In the future, we have the Ten of Pentacles, there is the Page of Pentacles, there's a Magician. In the future, there is a happy situation coming your way. You're finally feeling like you're home. For many of you, there's a chances you have been waiting for someone, about something you had been stuck, about some situation, about some relation. There's a chances of you feeling so happy in the future. You'll get to know many things about that person. I see someone coming your life offering you something in the future. They just want to tell you something, they just want to deliver you something. Finally, that will be related to what you want. Finally, they are going to tell you something, they are going to express something you have been waiting for, or finally you are going to get what you want. Every wish is going to be fulfilled. It's like you will be acting towards your wish, acting towards your goal, acting towards your likes. Okay, finally you are taking action towards what you want. Finally, that could be you wanted to heal, you just want to heal from this situation, from that past situation. You're just finally taking action towards what you want. There's a challenge for the week. I'm going to clarify the 10 of Wands. There was a situation, someone was working very hard. It could be you or it could be someone else. Working very hard in order to know about something or know about someone, some relation, some person. Okay, this could be, okay, I'm going to clarify the 10 of Wands. The 10 of Wands is clarified with the 2 of Pentacles, the 2 of Swords, the Page of Swords. Whoa. Okay, you just wanted to know about someone in the recent past. You were juggling between two person, two situation, two opinions, two decisions. You didn't know what should I have to choose. You just wanted a clarity about something in the recent past. You have been digging in order to come to the final decision, in order to make a final decision about this person. This person could be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This is related to this person. Okay, because that person made a move in the recent past. I'm going to clarify the King of Cups. For many of you end up being happy, end up being knowing about something, about someone, or outcome will be happy. For many of you in the recent past, you ended up being satisfied, you ended up being okay, finally. It's like that situation. I'm going to clarify the King of Cups. King of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Cups. Okay, the Moon, the Empress. Okay, for many of you this is related to a relationship, someone whom you love very badly. It's like you're deeply in connection with this person. There is something you both have in similar. You care for them, that person might care you back, but there is still something you feel like hidden from you. This person is kind of hiding something from you or keeping something from you. You had this in your mind. Finally, there's a chances that you'll get to know about this person, the real fact about this person. There's a chances of finally you'll get to know what you wanted about this person. Okay, in the present is the situation, you are stuck in the present situation about something. You're thinking deeply about something. Okay, you are hanging in an opinion. You're thinking deeply about something in the present situation. The Hangman is clarified by the Ace of Swords, the 10 of Wands, the Queen of Swords. Okay, in order to get clarity about a situation, you just want to do anything. Like you can do anything in order to know about a situation, clarity about someone, clarity about this person, clarity about this relationship. You don't know what way should I have to think, what way should I have to make a move. You might be taking some harsh decision, harsh thinking about this person, some negative thinking about this person. Somewhere you are taking a wrong decision. You're making some fast thinking about this person. You're coming to fast decision about this relationship. You just want to be happy with this person. Okay, you just want to be in connection. You just want a clarity. Okay, you're ready to do anything in order to get clarity about this person. You're thinking a lot, too much. You're thinking too much about this person. In the future, I see you are offering something to someone in the future. In the present moment. In order to get out of this hanged position, I see you guys are offering love to someone or offering something. In order to get that happiness, in order to get that satisfaction. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Death. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles. Many of you guys are offering something to someone that might be related to end the situation. You just want to end the situation here now. Don't want to drag this anymore. You're just waiting for an opportunity to move on towards this person, away from this person. You just want an opportunity in order to offer them something, in order to get their connection. You're just waiting for the right opportunity in order to offer them, okay? In order to leave all those confusions you have in your mind, all those secretive things, all those thinking you're having in your mind. You have to end those situations. You just want to end those negative thinkings. Finally, you have to end it, okay? So you're going to make a move towards this person, give an offer, okay? There's the outcome could be that person you just want to give 100% in this connection with this partner. I feel you might get the same reaction from the other person too. You're just ready to give 100% in this connection. You just want this connection very badly. You're ready to put effort. You're ready to work on this connection. You're ready to give anything, what and all they want. You are ready to offer them, okay? That is all. In order to get clarity about this person, clarity about situation, you are going to ask an opportunity, or you're going to offer a love towards this person in the present situation. You're ready to be ready to give anything in order to get back this connection with this person, okay? There's a near future, there's a chances of you being happy. There's a happy situation, you being with your family, or the one whom you feel like family. You're going to be with that person in the future. The Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Ten of Swords. You just want to end those conflicts. You just want to come out of that pain. You just want to end those, seeking for clarity, working for something. You just want fighting for something. You just want to end it. Someone related to your past, I see that someone for many of you, you had some connection with this person in the past too. I see you are being so happy with this person. You might get into relationship with this person in the future. You are ending all those conflicts, ending all those pains. You're coming out of it, okay? Finally, you guys are healing. That is what it's all about. You're finally healing from a situation, healing from a person, okay? There's a chance, there is a Page of Pentacles. In the near future, someone is offering you something. I'm going to clarify the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Four of Cups, the King of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. Okay. There will be someone coming into your life offering you something, some emotional bonding with you. They just want emotional connection with you. I see many of you guys are rejecting this person, rejecting their offer in the future, because you're happy with what you have, okay? You're just happy that you have that person from past, someone from past. You are going to get involved with them in the future. You're happy that right now you're happy. You're holding. Though this person is offering something for you, though you have feeling in order to respond towards them, I feel you guys are holding those emotions on your own. You're not expressing or letting them know how you feel about the offer, about that person who is coming in the future. I see there's a Magician. You're working towards your wish, or you're finally taking action towards what you want. You're finally acting upon something what you want in the future. Many of you, the challenge is the healing. Maybe you guys are acting towards what you want. Okay, the Magician is clarified by the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, the Five of Swords. Okay, many of you are working towards, I mean, in order to, in order to get what you want, in order to get your wish, in order to fulfill, in order to feel satisfaction. Many of you are, I see that, working towards this person or working towards some people in order to get what you want. There will be chances that the outcome could be something which is uncertain, something you might haven't expected. The outcome could be like you fighting for, standing up for yourself, okay, in order to get what you want, in order to get self satisfaction. That is going to happen in the future, in order to get those happiness with this person. I already told the family card. In order to get that family feeling with this person, you are like standing up for yourself in order to get what you want. That is what, you're going to heal this week. Whatever the situation is going to take, I mean, going to happen, you are healing yourself. The final result will be very positive for you guys. I'm going to pull some advice for you. Advice for the Cancers. The advice for the week is communication is the key. Whatever it is, whatever situation is going to happen this week, just don't think that like a hangman. Don't get stuck. Don't just practically do anything randomly. Just have some communication and clear what you have about what is that is stuck in your head. Have some clarity. In order to get clarity, just communicate with people. There will be chances that you'll get what you want. That is all I have for the Cancer people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.